Hi there, today we're talking about the scanner class. So the great thing about the scanner class is that it allows you to grab information that somebody will input onto a screen, and that way we can finally start creating programs that are interactive for the user. So whenever you use the scanner class, you create what's called a scanner object, and that scanner object has access to the following methods. You've got the next int method, next double method. Both in that next int and next double method can read a number that's entered by a user, and then return that number into a variable, and then we can compute that number. Likewise, the next line method allows for the program to grab text that a user might type, and then we can put that information to a variable where we can manipulate it. So let's go ahead and let's go to NetBeans. Notice that I've already created the NetBeans project right here, and I've already created my class file. So the first thing that we're going to do, NetBeans creates this template stuff, so we're going to delete that. And then I come over here, and I'm going to go ahead and put this brace down here so it's evenly spaced. I'm going to write a comment. I'm going to say this demo will show how to use the scanner class. Next up, I'm going to create my main method header. So to do that, we're going to type public static void main parentheses string with a capital S, open bracket, end bracket, and then you've got args. Enter, create two braces, and now we're rip-roaring ready to go. So there's code that's provided for you to do this demo. And so you can just copy that code and paste it into NetBeans. So here we are. So notice the first thing that we do in our code here is we've declared three variables. So string strname, int age, and then double dbl num. So strname is going to use this is going to hold the user's name, int age is going to hold the user's age, and dbl num is going to hold the user's height. So right here is where we're going to create our scanner object. The first thing that we need to do for this program is we need to come back up here, and we need to go ahead and create an import statement. So I'm going to type import space java.util.scanner, and this is needed for the scanner class. So the scanner class is not automatically available whenever you create a Java program, so you have to import this, use this import statement to include this scanner class. Second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a scanner object to read input. So I'm going to type scanner keyboard equals new scanner system.in. This is what this statement is doing. This statement is saying, hey, use the scanner class to create a scanner object called keyboard. And this code right here, you don't really have to worry about this right now. Just know that you are creating a scanner object called keyboard. So now we're going to use keyboard. So this right here says, what is your name? So the program's going to ask user, what's its name? What's your name? And then we're going to respond by using the scanner object to use this method called nextLine. So this nextLine method is going to grab whatever the user types. So the program is going to display what is your name, and then the user can actually type their name, and this statement right here, this keyboard.nextLine, this method right here is going to grab whatever string of text is out there, and it's going to put that string into strname when the user hits enter. So the next thing that's going to happen is the program is going to ask the user, what is your age? And we are going to use the keyboard object along with the next int method to grab whatever number that person types. So what is your age will display on the program, and then a person will be able to type 5 or 4 or 31 or whatever their age is, and then this statement right here will grab that 31. It'll grab that number and put it into int age. So the next thing that's going to come up is, what is your favorite number? So again, I'm going to initialize my dblnum variable using keyboard.nextDouble. So likewise, this right here, this statement, this keyboard.nextDouble, that's going to grab whatever number the person types, and it's going to take that number and put it into dblnum. Okay, so after all is said and done, I'm going to display the following information to the user. It's going to say, hello, str name, whatever str name is right here. Your age is int age, and your favorite number is dblnum. So if I run this, if you notice down here, what is your name? So right here, the program is asking me, what is my name? So I'm going to type Mr. Crow, enter. So the next thing it says is, what is your age? I'm going to type 31 and press enter. What is your favorite number? 7. Hello, Mr. Crow. Your age is 31 and your favorite number is 7. So our program worked. Excellent. So one more thing that we need to be aware of when we're when we're using the scanner class, and that is this. Let's say I take this portion of code, I cut it, and I put it right here. Now, what is your age comes before what is your name. So right here I'm grabbing a number first and I'm putting it into int age, and right here I'm grabbing a string of text using the next line method. If I now run my program, so what is your age? Let's say 31. If I press enter, notice that it totally skips over what is your name and it goes directly to what is your favorite number. And then when it displays stuff here, it didn't grab my name, so it's not going to display my name. Well, that's strange. Why is it doing that? Well, there's a memory issue here with Java that we have to be aware of. And that is, whenever you use the next int method, whenever you grab a number from Java and then you grab a string of text, this string of text will not, it won't stop the program for you to enter in text. What you have to do is you actually have to add another statement here for next line. Now if I run the program, I click Run File, it'll say, what's your age? 31. What's your name? Mr. Crow. What's your favorite number? 7. So now our program works correctly again. Hello, Mr. Crow, your age is 31, your favorite number is 7. So keep in mind that this is one of the small quirks with Java that you have to be aware of when you're using the scanner class. If you grab a number first and then grab a string of text, you always need to add another statement here saying keyboard.nextLine so that Java won't skip over this part right here.